6 Alternative treatments for arthritis pain. Arthritis is a chronic disorder that causes inflammation, deformities, and stiffness in one or more of your joints. It's a common ailment in older adults, although in some cases it can occur at a younger age. The most affected areas are the joints in the knees, hands, and feet, but in more complicated cases it can affect the muscles and other tissues in the body. Hereditary appears to be one of the most important causal factors, but it can be triggered by injury or even chemical imbalances in the body due to high acidity levels. Regardless of the cause, it's important to get the proper treatment and prevent losing your quality of life as the years go by. Bearing that in mind, in today's article we want to share 6 excellent alternative treatments for arthritis that can complement your regular medical treatment to mitigate its uncomfortable symptoms. List of alternative treatments for arthritis. 1. Garlic and lemon treatment. The combination of garlic and lemon gives your body the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds it needs to reduce the effects of free radicals while improving circulation and stimulating your natural detox. Daily consumption of these 2 ingredients also helps eliminate toxins and reduce fluid retained by your tissues, both of which in high quantities lead to increased pain in the joints. Ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon. How do you make it? The night before, crush 2 cloves of garlic and mix them with the juice from a lemon. In the next morning, take this remedy on an empty stomach. Try it at least 4 times a week in order to see improvement. 2. Baking soda treatment. Baking soda diluted in water fights inflammation and promotes joint health because it lowers uric acid levels and alleviates other chemical imbalances that worsen this disorder. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 grams. 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. How do you make it? Dilute a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water, and drink it on an empty stomach. This is one of the more potent alternative treatments for arthritis pain, and the maximum dose you should consume per day is 2 teaspoons. Don't take more than what's recommended because it could cause unwanted side effects. 3. Apple cider vinegar treatment. Numerous studies have demonstrated that apple cider vinegar helps reduce the pain and inflammation caused by arthritis. Consuming this ingredient helps stabilize the pH of your blood by stimulating digestive juices that eliminate excess acidity. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 20 milliliters. 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. How do you make it? Dilute 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water and drink immediately. Take this twice a day, every day. 4. Chamomile treatment. Chamomile is an herb that has anti-inflammatory and relaxing properties, promoting pain relief in the affected joints. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chamomile flowers, 20 grams. 1 liter of water. How do you make it? Bring the water to a boil and add the chamomile flowers. Remove from heat and allow to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. While it's still warm, dip a cloth in the liquid and apply it to the areas that are causing you pain. You can also drink chamomile tea up to 3 times a day. Repeat this treatment as often as needed to alleviate pain. 5. Green tea remedy. Green tea is one of the most commonly consumed alternative treatments for arthritis pain, as it is a healthy beverage that can prevent and combat various types of arthritis thanks to its high content of antioxidants. The polyphenols in green tea lend it a powerful therapeutic effect that reduces the inflammation and pain caused by arthritis. Ingredients: 1 bag of green tea, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. How do you make it? Let it stand for 10 minutes before drinking. Avoid consuming too much green tea, as it can have a laxative effect. 6. Turmeric and lime treatment. A warm paste made using turmeric and lime is a very effective and natural way to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Turmeric contains antioxidants that reduce the damage caused by free radicals that can lead to degenerative disorders. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 20 grams. 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 10 milliliters. Warm water, as needed. How do you make it? Mix all ingredients until they form a thick paste and apply it directly to the inflamed areas. Cover with plastic wrap and let this remedy work for a few hours or overnight. Repeat the application every day. Whichever of the above natural remedies you choose, they are only intended to complement the medical treatment prescribed by your doctor. Be sure to discuss your planned course of action with them first to ensure that there are no harmful interactions or unwanted side effects.